Hi friends, welcome to Subha's Finger Magic channel. Today video I am going to show you how to do Tanjore style fabric painting on blouse. Before getting to the video, new viewers who don't know about this Subha's Finger Magic channel, I have posted many videos regarding Tanjore style fabric painting in Tamil language. I will provide these videos link in description as well as I button. Those who are really interested to learn this traditional art on fabric, please check my other videos also. Many viewers from other languages who don't know Tamil have requested English translations and subtitles for this painting video. So I have made this entire video in English especially for you guys. Without any further delay, let's see what are all the materials needed for this Tanjore style fabric painting. Fabric and acrylic colors of any brand. Small size round and flat brushes. Synthetic kundan stones 2 mm and 3 mm size. These are original kundan stones used in traditional Tanjore painting. See how it's glittering. Pearl metallic gold bottle paint, small size 15 ml bottle also available. To give emboss effect, we are using 3D outliner pearl metallic gold and silver color. Half pearl bead for ornament decoration. Empty refill pen for tracing the sketch. Need fabric glue for stone fixing. Used blue carbon paper for tracing. First and foremost step, do ironing the fabric without any wrinkles, which one we are going to do painting. Beginners in the initial stage, you took tailor help for blouse marking. Ask them to mark sleeve portion as well as back neck, front neck. I took 1 meter silk cotton blouse for painting. I am folding the cloth into 2 layers. Use tailor chalk to mark center line on the sleeve. Fix this 2-layer folded cloth on the cardboard tightly without any wrinkles with the help of clips. Now I am marking the center of this picture. Now placing the tracing design on center of the sleeve. Secure the paper with the help of head pins. Beginners, I am sharing very important tips in this video, so don't skip the video. Please watch carefully what I am doing. For tracing, I am going to place used blue carbon paper in between second layer of the cloth and cardboard. Very important, please listen carefully. Wrong side of the carbon facing the cloth. Place another carbon paper in between first layer of the cloth and tracing paper. Now I am going to trace the design simultaneously on both sleeves. With the help of empty refill pen, now I am tracing the design. Beginners, do you think why I am using empty refill pen? Because original image won't change while using the empty refill pen. So multiple times you can use the tracing sheet without any confusion. Beginners, another question will arise on your mind regarding why I am using used blue carbon paper. Let me explain you. While tracing, fresh blue carbon paper will leave marks on the fabric. So beginners, don't use fresh blue carbon paper. Once you finished the tracing, don't forget to check whether you drawn entire portions or not before removing the head pen. I am applying first layer of base coat with white color without adding water. I am using Camel brand 00 round brush to draw outline. Inside filling, I am using fine art brush number 4 size. Applying base coat white only the portions where I am going to paint fabric or acrylic colors. No need to apply base coat white the portions where we are going to paint metallic colors. After first layer of base coat has dried completely, you can proceed to apply second layer of base coat. I hope this video is very useful for beginners, those who want to learn Tanjavur painting on fabric. I am going to paint the picture, so watch the video completely without skipping. I am going to apply white color with the help of flat brush. Please like and subscribe this channel. It motivates and encourages me to make more such videos. I took very small quantity of teal blue color on the tip of the brush. Apply the teal blue color only the edges of the picture. See how I am applying. I am using teal blue color for annapakshi to match with this silk saree. After dip into the water, I am removing excess paint and water in the brush. Now I am blending teal blue color with white color. For blending, beginners use flat brush for smooth finish. I took very small quantity of white color on the tip of the brush and applying center portion of the picture. I am using Camel brand round brush size number 1 to apply lemon yellow. Now I am applying lemon yellow with the help of flat brush. Using the same brush, I took little quantity of light green color. Apply like this one edge of the portion. Wash the brush in water. Remove excess water in the cloth and do blending. See the blending result, how smooth it is. Now applying white color. On the same brush, I took very little quantity of brilliant purple. Apply like this. After wash the brush, remove excess water on the cloth and start blending. Flower portion I am applying lemon yellow color with the help of flat brush. Using the same brush, now I am applying light green color. Camel brand round brush size number 0. I am giving outline using dark green color. With the help of flat brush, now I am merging with the light green color. Now I am applying lemon yellow color with the help of round brush. Using same brush, I am applying orange color like this. Now merging with yellow color. Apply crimson color only the edges. Applying white color with the help of flat brush. Using same brush, I am taking little quantity of brilliant purple. See how I am applying and doing blending. I am giving outline using brilliant purple with Camlin brand round brush size number 0. Draw the outline using 3D outliner pearl metallic gold. Try to give equal pressure on the bottle, you will get fine lines. To allow the cloth 24 hours to dry, meanwhile keep the painted fabric in separate room, avoid dusting. Do ironing on reverse side of the fabric after 72 hours of painting. You can wash the painted cloth after 6 days. Please watch carefully how I am releasing the pressure to create this stroke. Slightly give pressure and hold the pressure, then pull back. You will get fine stroke like this. I am sharing lot of tips regarding Tanjore style fabric painting. I hope this video is very useful for beginners. Kindly like and subscribe to this channel and share this video with your family and friends, those who are really wants to learn this traditional art on fabric. Now I am fixing 2 mm synthetic stone for decoration purpose. Stone fixing and 3D outliner work will enhance the visual beauty of this painting. Fixing big size semi-precious stone, which one using on real Tanjore painting. I am using B6000 glue to stick fitting stones. Use pearls along with stones, it will give rich look to the painting. Don't fix too much of stones unnecessarily because it will give clumsy effect. Now I am painting with pearl metallic gold bottle paint. Compared to 3D outliner paint, it will dry quickly. After usage, tightly close the bottle to avoid dryness. To draw eyes, use fine brushes like 000. Mix little black color with dark green color, using this color for outlining. For decoration purpose, I am fixing stone on the stem portion. Mixing crimson red with Indian red color. To dilute the paint, I am adding 2 drops of medium number 1. Using this color, I am giving outline to the flower. I painted this design on back and front neck of this blouse. Painted this border design on other sleeve also. Looks how beautiful is this. Are you like it? Please share your comments on comment section. Show your love through like this video and subscribe Subha's Finger Magic channel. We'll upload more videos. Stay tuned. Until then, bye from Subha.